Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Janice Oñate, 30 years old, married, blessed with 4 kids. I'm undergraduate with Bachelor's of Science in Information Technology.
Good day to Miss Janice. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Being hardworking, trustworthy, patient.
Since you are a mother, can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Giving the right vitamins, taking a bath every day, and love them as my own child.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
I will say sorry, and I will say that I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, I will promise to you that if you will hire me, I will do my very best to make you satisfied to my job, and I will finish my 2 years in contract.
Okay, thank you to Miss Janice. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.